As you can see, the renovation of our 50-year-old administrative classroom building, commonly referred to as ADCL, has indeed begun. The administration classroom building renovation project that you see before you is at the forefront of our efforts to change the lives and futures of our students and all those living in the communities that we serve.
Petoskey certainly deserves it, the college certainly deserves it, and the people of Northern Michigan, the students, certainly deserve it.
This is awesome. It is such a big deal that this is happening here.
It's the cornerstone of our Building Tomorrow Together campaign.
The residents of Northern Michigan must have access to the training and experiences that will help them build their careers and thrive as creative thinkers, problem solvers, and entrepreneurs. Working together as a community, we can unlock individual potential while adding capacity and resiliency to our community.
North Central's aim is to lead the economic recovery of Northern Michigan via higher education. And this project will allow us to create facilities that both meet the immediate need and withstand the test of time so that we can achieve our mission of providing exceptional, accessible, and relevant higher education for many years to come. This $7.4 million renovation and expansion project is designed to provide our students with an engaging and exciting learning environment, complete with the tools and technology to prepare them for the challenges of a dynamic, creative, entrepreneurial, and increasingly digital world.
At North Central, we continually work to shape the world, driving creative, collaborative, and proactive solutions for our students in a constantly changing environment.
North Central prepares graduates to be nurses, EMTs, medical assistants who take care of us at the hospital, in medical offices, and other clinics in the community. And it also prepares many others who run the businesses that we rely on in town. And without them, we could not enjoy the quality of life that we currently have.
We appreciate the investments that our community has made and we will continue to make in shaping both the campus and the college. In return, in our community's college, we embrace the leadership role we must play in making the Little Traverse Bay region an even better place to live, to work, to learn, and to play.